Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you my least used bag of 2022. Yes guys, so we are going to do this per brand. So I have 3 bags on my list here. Also, what I would be sharing is if I could turn back time, would I still buy these bags or not? So guys, I hope you enjoy our episode for today. And please stay tuned until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, for bag number 3 on the least most used bag of 2022, it would be my Prada Promenade bag. So let me get her. So here she is guys. So as you know, this is the last Prada bag in my collection and I'm going to be straightforward with you guys. The very reason that I wasn't reaching for her for 2022 is she is considered as a micro bag. As you can see, if I would be putting this bag a little bit further, as you're going to see, she is very small. She definitely could just fit standing up on the palm of my hand. So that's the only reason, because when I purchased this one couple of years back, so I am in love with micro bags. I would carry little things with me and everything would fit inside this very beautiful bag. Unfortunately, of course, as I grow older, things changes, and whenever I would be going out, I have like a trifecta that I would need to bring with me. So of course, I have my huge iPhone, power bank, definitely a need, so power bank and cord. Then of course, my Chanel pouch. With the Chanel pouch, that's also where I would be storing my YSL card holder. So definitely on this bag, it would not fit here, but just let me give you a little bit of example. So if we are going to open this bag, so the zipper also closes a little bit harder in this one. So she has one main compartment. So like for example, if you have a very small phone, so this is a small 5S phone. So as you are going to see, it could fit definitely. So if you have smaller phones like a Samsung flip phones, then definitely you could fit this one. Or for example, if you're a person who is very minimal for the things that they carry for the entire day, still I would be recommending this one for you. So my question is, would I repurchase this one if given a chance? Me, for this style, honestly, I love the color of this bag. I love the material. She is made in Saffiano leather. So yes, I would still purchase, but maybe if given a chance, I would purchase 2 sizes bigger. And I would keep this one because I'm imagining, guys, like for example, I have the bigger version of this one and I would be using this as a charm. How cute it would be. Plus, I believe this one is one of the more classic styles of Prada. I'm just waiting for Prada to reissue this bag like their Prada Galleria, because I believe the Prada Promenade bag is one of the classics of Prada, and then just waiting for them to reissue this very beautiful Prada bag. Alright, for my least used Louis Vuitton bag in my collection, guys, this is so heartbreaking, but it is my Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. Yes guys, so as you know, among my Louis Vuitton bag, I have my toiletry pouch, I have my Louis Vuitton Papillon Epi leather bag. And so I have those 3 bags to choose from, and honestly, if for example I would be choosing a monogram canvas bag, then I would be going for the toiletry pouch 26, because as you know, just like with Prada, this is very tiny. So let me just get my Prada again. So both of these bags are considered micro bags, as you can see. But good news is both of these bags also fit a phone. So this could actually fit a much larger phone. So let me just put it back. This could actually fit a much larger phone. So whenever I am carrying this one, you just really need to downsize, guys. That is why, for example, I would be carrying this one. I would be attaching so many things with her just to give her extra space. So I'm going to put some photos and videos here. So my favorite is I would be attaching a Louis Vuitton keyclay over here. So with the keyclay, that is where I'm going to store now my credit cards, loose bills, and then some of my keys. And then if I have more stuff, then I would be adding my micro Fendi baguette. So with the Fendi baguette, that's where I would be storing my makeup things. So, my oil blotter, lipstick, lip gloss. And then, of course, what's good about this one, of course, it still comes with a shoulder strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. However, guys, so like what I mentioned, for my Louis Vuitton collection, I am now currently on the hunt for, an everyday bag that, could carry most of the stuff that I need. My trifecta, then of course, if it could carry like a small water bottle and a small umbrella, then that would be perfect. Because honestly, guys, for this one, if you are still interested in this one, yes, I would still recommend for you to purchase your Petit Plat. But you just have to be very, very mindful of the things that you are carrying. Because for me, if I would be carrying this, I would need to choose. So what I could put inside, definitely my phone and then my card holder. So it would not fit anymore my power bank. So it's either I remove my phone and insert my power bank and cord. So you just need to be very, very mindful of the things that you would need to bring if you are going to purchase your Petit Plat. So guys, if you're going to ask me, would I repurchase the Petit Plat? This is so heartbreaking, guys, but I would be honest, I would say no, because this doesn't suit my lifestyle anymore. Plus, as you know, I've just purchased another Louis Vuitton bag. So it's a pre-order bag, it's a custom Louis Vuitton bag, and that size would be perfect for me. So I'm on the fence of selling this one. I'm kind of half and half, because when I purchased this one, I only purchased this for 75k Philippine pesos, but right now it's almost to 100k or 2,000 USD on LouisVuitton.com. That's why I'm thinking, should I sell this one or just hold on to this, because I believe this is now one of the classic styles of LV, because they have been releasing newer styles of the Louis Vuitton Petit Plat. But either way, guys, this is one of my least used bag of 2022, so I'm hoping that I would be able to use her more for 2023. Alright, so now let us move on to Chanel. So guys, do you have any guesses what's my least used bag for 2022? If you have guessed the Chanel full flap in beige clear, then you are correct. Yes, guys, so this is my least used Chanel bag of 2022. Why? Because, for example, I would want to carry Chanel for a day, so I have different options. So like, for example, if I feel that I want to carry a Chanel shoulder bag, but I want to carry it as much as it could, then definitely I would be carrying my Chanel flap bag here in black patent leather. So she is perfect because her size is medium to jumbo. Then if, for example, I would want a party bag, then I would be carrying my Chanel Rodeo flap bag. I'm going to put some photos here. Then if I want a Chanel bag that I don't need to baby, then I'm going to carry my Chanel vanity bag. So this one, guys, what's wrong with the beige clear Chanel full flap bag? Actually, there is nothing wrong with her, because her size, to be honest, she fits the trifecta that I was mentioning. So of course, my phone, power bank and cord, then my Chanel pouch with everything on it, my makeup, including my YSL card holder. The only reason why I'm a little bit scared of carrying this Chanel beige clear is, of course, just look at her very beautiful color, guys. So she is on the lighter side, so I am deadly afraid of having color transfer on this bag, because this is the only Chanel bag that I have that is on the lighter tone. As you can see here, when I purchased her pre-love, she doesn't have any color transfer, in which I am so in love, and I want to maintain it that way. She is a vintage bag, so she is around, I'm guessing, a series 3, so a 90s vintage Chanel. But I love her look. Like, she is still very beautiful. That's why I would want to maintain her pristine look as much as I can. So that is the only reason, guys, why I am not carrying my Chanel full flap beige in beige clear. But if, for example, you are going to ask me, would I buy this if given a chance? Hell yes, guys, definitely I would still be buying this very beautiful beige clear Chanel full flap bag, because when are you going to get a chance to get a vintage bag like this, in pristine condition? So this is the front here. As you can see, she is like the regular classic flap Chanel. So the main compartment, then she has a pocket here with multiple pockets inside. She has a turn lock closure here, and she has very beautiful chain shoulder strap here. And of course, since she is vintage, then she comes with the very beautiful 24K gold hardware. So definitely recommend this one. I actually found one, guys. I'm going to link it on the description box. Exact same bag as this one. So if you're interested, I'm going to link it on the description box below. There, so those are my least used bag of 2022. So how about you guys? Do you have any least used bags or bags that you are not reaching out for the year 2022? Which are those? Please do comment down below. Would love to hear from each and every one of you guys. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!